Hi guys! So today I am doing another video at my house, but you see I'm outside in my backyard. Today I'm going to be showing you our plants. So yeah, keep a big thumbs up, it's right there. Subscribe button is right there. TikTok is right there. I am on YouTube. Put XOXOBROOKLY and Rose. Let's go.
Hey, as y'all saw, Brooklyn is mastering her introduction. I'm Christian. As always, I am behind the camera. But I wanted to fill you guys in before she got started. At this moment, you're looking at pictures of our garden. Gardening has definitely become our new hobby and learning tool during quarantine. Today, we'll be sharing and demonstrating our daily garden routine. I hope this gives you guys some inspiration to hopefully start your own.
We have an egg, a caterpillar egg.
So what kind of plant is this, Brooklyn?
So these plants are milkweed. This one is a milkweed, and this one is lavender. So the egg is right here. I want to be very careful. So the egg is right there.
What kind of egg is this, Brooklyn?
So this is a caterpillar egg, as you see. And we have a ladybug right there.
Yeah, so it's really fun to look at all the insects and look at all the plants.
But we do not know if that ladybug is poison or not.
We don't know.
No.
Okay, so let's show them our other plants that we have going on in our garden. And although we do have a house, if you do have like an apartment, you can always feel free to utilize these little pots to plant some vegetables or even flowers.
But God, you cannot put milkweed inside your house.
It has to go on the outside.
Yeah, on the outside.
Okay.
But you can put lavender in your house because it will smell fresh and good.
Fresh and good, yeah. And right here we have some sunflowers.
Sunflowers?
Yep. Some of them aren't doing good, and that's what you will realize with your plants.
They are growing big.
Yeah.
So.
Some will do really well, some won't. But that's okay. It's all trial and error. And then over here, what do we have over here?
So there's another ladybug, you guys.
You see another ladybug?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So I don't know if these are ladybugs.
I don't know if that's the same ladybug, you guys.
Oh, excuse my nails.
Wait.
And these are spring
Guys,
lettuce.
there's two ladybugs.
Two ladybugs.
Yeah, so there's the other one right here. So we have two ladybugs, you guys.
Alright, and then let's come over here.
This is my section.
Yeah, Brooklyn's section isn't doing too well, but it's all, again, trial and error.
So we have some...
Those are peppers.
Yeah, some peppers.
I think these may be like banana peppers, but be careful. These are banana peppers.
Those are hot.
And then we have basil right here.
Basil.
These are doing really
guys,
well.
there's another ladybug.
So this may be, we got to look up and see what kind of bug this is.
That?
Well, I just found, oh, it must have just flew away. It was another little bug. I think it was just something. Oh, here it is.
Ladybug, guys.
No, these are not ladybugs. We have to look and see what kind of bugs these are. But look, I think these are the bugs who are eating.
Guys, that is so cool.
That's the bug that's eating my plants and my veggies. So yeah.
So the ants and worms are moving into their new apartments, of course. their new
homes. These are their new homes. Yeah.
Yeah. So first it was all dirt. Well, first it was nothing in there. Then we had like dirt, and then they started coming into the apartment. They had built stuff in their apartment, you know.
Okay.
And
Can I finish?
So obviously, I think there's I thought there was another egg.
My cilantro isn't doing too well, but I
My
think
cilantro.
our cilantro is not doing too well. I think it has too much direct sun for these little plants.
And over here,
Let's
we
see.
have all these plants over here. The broccoli, and another broccoli, of course. And we have these like little flowers right here, fake flowers.
Yeah, my broccoli has grown tremendously within the past like 3 days. This part has sprouted. And I think I'm gonna start cutting some,
I found
most of these
another
unnecessary
egg.
leaves.
I found another egg, guys.
And then I have some tomatoes growing in very well. And again, this is really our first year gardening because of the COVID. So it is all trial and error. So next year I'm gonna definitely
Plant some more.
plant more and then have more faces for good my tomatoes. They're doing so well. And I'm gonna insert a clip of how my tomatoes first look when I initially started planting them, like at the beginning of May, just to show y'all like where they really came from. Okay, so this is the same plant. I just didn't have an extra pop bottle to do the same concept, but I just want to show you how this one looks without the covering. And then look at this one. Wow. And look at this one. Oh my God, that is wonderful. This right here is the kale, but as you can see, bugs have been getting to them. I'm gonna start cutting them and using it though. I think they're ready. And then this here is our romaine lettuce. This is really great. So the good thing about gardening, this can also be a chore for your kids to do. So like every morning, I just make sure that we wake up and then we water our garden.
And at the end, you guys, I gotta sing a song to you guys.
Okay, continue with those scissors. Stop playing, please. And it's just always fun just to watch things grow. It makes you feel very proud of yourself and accomplished. These are really like your little babies. No, don't cut those, please. Cut their leaves. No. You're supposed to cut around the bad part. So like this right here, it looks diseased, so we can cut around it like this. But look, it looks like something is growing right here. So like this. Cut right through it.
You guys, I just peeled mine off